Hi, so here's a bit of explanation of what Kasia IoT Project is all about. You see, you can collect data from your browser, on your browser directly from the device, and the whole point of that is how little code it will require to actually build all of that. It's basically a low-code solution, and you get to see all the data here from like 2 data sources, as well as the logs. In this case, obviously log in random numbers periodically, but just to show that you can just scroll through them, and you do this directly by accessing your device without having to write any of this front-end code. Now, to see how much or rather how little code it takes to achieve all of this, you'll see that you use the platform IO, you install Kasia library, still in beta at the moment, that's why it starts with 0, and you go to main. All you need is basically to bind the 2 data points that you have. In this case, let's say we measure temperature A and temperature B. You bind them to the framework. You run this line once to connect to your Wi-Fi. And once you have connected, you will see local IP given to you. Once that is successful, you can comment this line out. Your credentials for Wi-Fi will be saved. And then you can just, every time, just start that, and this is the name of the device. It will always go back to the same IP, so you can kind of rerun it, and also after you disconnect it from your laptop, you simply connect it to a power source, it'll still be the same IP. So as you can see, there's no actual code to send any of this data anywhere. All the code here is to generate the new random measurements of temperature, and then also to generate periodically random logs, the ones you could see in the browser. And everything else is automatically taken care of by the Kasia IoT framework. So yeah, that's what it is in a nutshell, and more updates to follow.